Hi and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me, Vishwanath Sir. We are on our journey of case studies and this shall always continue. As I tell you again and again that case studies form a very important part of your CBSE question paper. So it's very necessary that you understand the chapter properly and then you can put it down into productive use and score your marks. So my dear children, please see that the chapters are revised again and again and then the case studies of different types are solved. Okay, so we are with the chapter planning and I shall continue the case studies of planning along with you. Yatin, a worker, was given a task and a target of producing 150 units per day. Due to his habit of doing things differently, an idea struck him which would reduce the per unit cost but would also help in exceeding the production target of 150 units. But the supervisor, instead of appreciating him, ordered to complete the task according to the methods and technique decided earlier. So we discussed one of these case studies earlier also. The above para describes the limitations of the function of planning. Name and explain the limitation. So we can clearly tell here that planning reduces creativity. Yatin wanted to be creative but he was forced not to be. So in the future, even if he has those ideas which will benefit the organization, it will not be put into productive use. Okay, from here we go to the second case study. Tata started offering a discount of rupees 11,000 on the purchase of Indica. In response to this, Maruti started with a scheme of providing a free DVD player with every WagonR. Identify the type of plan highlighted in the given statement. So both the companies, if you see Tata as well as Maruti, they both are inclined towards attracting the customers to buy their product. Of course, the car is the product. So in this case, we can tell this plan is strategy. Okay? Because their strategy might attract quite a few customers. Okay? So the type of plan here is highlighted here is strategy. We go to the third part here and we have to identify the different types of plans in the statements. A, they are ends which the organization wants to achieve by its operation. So those are objectives. Girls will be given a 5% rebate on the admissions in college. So this is a policy because they are, setting aside a separate rule for the girls so that the girl education also increases. C, it facilitates a comparison of actual results with the planned results. So this is budget, okay, actual and what has actually happened. The library will issue only 4 books for 15 days. So this is policy. They are following a certain policy of issuing only 4 books for 15 days. Next, an employee found logging to any social networking site in the office will be punished. This is a rule. You have to follow the rules in the office and you are not supposed to go to any social networking during your office hours. Coca-Cola reduces the price of its products in response to the price cut by Pepsi. Of course, this is strategy because they want to attract more customers. Pepsi has already reduced the prices, so already some customers may go towards consuming Pepsi drinks, while as Coke will be left out. So Coke, in order not to be left out, has devised this strategy. So that was your identification of plans. Let's go to the next case study. Verma Limited has developed its organizational plan for the coming year. For this purpose, the company hires professionals from Singapore. Huge money is incurred on their fees, collection of data, surveys. This process of planning has proved to be a very costly affair and the total cost may exceed the benefits derived from the plan. Okay, so it's a very costly thing because they wanted professional advice and they called people from Singapore to do the needful. Should Verma Limited continue with the existing plan? Why? So in my opinion, it should be no, because the cost is exceeding the benefit. So if the cost is more than the benefit, it is going to be a loss. It doesn't make any sense continuing with the existing plan. B. What is the limitation of plan which is highlighted in this case? The limitation of plan which is highlighted in this case is huge cost. Okay, the costs are so huge that it is going to spiral, it is going to increase the expenses of the particular organization, and they are going to suffer in the future. Fine. From here I go to the next case study. In fact, it is a CBSE 2009 question. A company is manufacturing garments. The manager wants to increase the profits by either purchasing a new machine, increasing the sale price, or using the waste material. Okay, he decided to use the waste material. Identify the cost or the concept of management involved. Okay, the concept of course is very clear, it is planning. Mention the steps involved. The different steps which are involved is setting the objectives, identifying the alternative course of action, and then evaluating the alternative course of action. Okay, what are the further steps which can be taken? Either you implement the plan and then you do the follow-up action. Okay, implement the plan is put it down into actual action, and follow-up action basically means to know where you are standing after the plan has been implemented. Okay, from here we go to the next case study. The workers of a factory are planning to go on strike. Suppose you are the production manager and somehow the plan of the strike has reached your ears. How will you provide such apprehensions in the planning process? Okay, so you are in charge of the production, and from inside you hear that the factory workers are going on a strike. What will you do? So you could always tell that since you are a production manager, you shall consider the possibility of the strike as planning premises. If the workers go on the strike, the production targets will not be achieved. So what will they do? What will you do? First and most importantly, find out what is the grievance of the workers. If the workers feel that you are able to hear their grievances, half your problem will be solved. Okay, then you will provide the genuine demands of the workers in the plan, and if their demands are not genuine, you can tell them at once that listen, this is not feasible for us. Okay, and this will bring your thing to the favor of the company. So you have to be tactful, at the same time you have to be also forceful, because there are certain demands which is way out of order and will not be able to be met. Going from here to the next case study. An electronic company ABC is facing with the problem of declining market share due to the increased competition from the other new and existing players in the market. Its competitors are introducing low price products for mass consumers which are price sensitive. For quality conscious consumers, the company is introducing new models with added features and new technological advancement. Name the type of plan which is preparing for and identify the steps involved in such a plan. Okay, of course they are counteracting with another product or they rival. So the situation is strategy, and what are the steps involved? A, you have to determine the long-term objectives. The company has to set long-term objectives of capturing more and more conscious consumers. Secondly, it has to adapt a particular course of action. The company must import latest technology, spend more on research and development, okay, to make their product superior as compared to its competitors. Then allocating the necessary resources to achieve the objectives. Here the company must allocate extra funds, because if you need to do research and development, there is a certain amount of money which will be involved. If it is not involved, the research and development will not take place. Okay, from here I go to the next case study. The next case study is of Grover Limited. They have a plan of increasing the profit by 25%. For this, it has incurred a lot of time and money, but the competition starts increasing. So it could not change its plan to beat its competitors because of the huge amount of money already being spent to the pre-decided plan. It caused losses to the company. Identify and explain any two limitations of planning highlighted in the above case by quoting the lines. First of all, planning is a time-consuming process. It cannot happen overnight. Okay, that's why it involves huge cost. You will require some other expertise to help you. So you will have to pay them. Okay, you will have to do a little bit of R&D also. The second limitation is that since it could not be changed, you can tell that planning leads to rigidity. Rigidity means the changes are very hard to come about. It is not flexible. Okay, so the competition starts increasing. So it could change the plan to beat the competitors. But because of the huge amount of money already paid, okay, it becomes a pre-decided plan. Okay, it was spent on a pre-decided plan, and now you cannot go, once you go back on it, it will have other effects on you. Okay, this is one case study which I want to repeat again. It's a case of Shah Rukh Khan in the movie Chak De India. He becomes a coach of the girls hockey team. He knows he has to prepare the girls for the international hockey matches and bring the World Cup after winning. For this, he prepares a long-term plan, the way how to beat the competitors. He coaches the girls in different ways like defensive, offensive, and at the outset of every match, he explains who will open the match and how the ball will be passed from one player to the other. Identify the different types of plans by quoting the lines from the above para. First, objective. What is the objective? To bring the World Cup. Strategy, because he is preparing long-term plans, how to beat the competitors, how to beat the other people, how to beat the other teams. Method, he coaches the girls in different ways like defensive, offensive, etc. Then procedure, at the outset of every match he will tell who will open and how the ball will be passed from one player to the other, step by step. Okay, so this was an important case study in regard to Chak De India, the movie which all you must have seen, and how he works towards a certain goal. He has the objective of bringing the World Cup to the country and he takes the lead for that. Going to the next case study, New Generation Limited is a company manufacturing garments. While making its plan, the company takes into consideration the business environment. It constantly adapts itself to the changes in the environment by making changes in the plan. However, it becomes difficult for the managers of the company to accurately foresee the future trends in the environment. Competition in the market upsets the financial plan, the sales targets have been revised, and accordingly, the cash budgets also need to be modified based on the sales results. Can you name and explain the limitation of planning in the above para? Yes, planning may not work in a dynamic environment because if changes occurs constantly, you cannot keep on revising your plan. Identify the two types of plan mentioned in the above para by quoting the lines. The first is strategy. While making the plan, the company takes into consideration the business environment. So that is strategy. Number two is budget, because it compares the different plans, it compares the market to the financial plan. The sales targets have also been revised and the cash budgets also need to be modified based on the sales figures. Okay, so this is what they are working towards. Okay, we come to the next question. At what stage of planning, process, feasibility and consequences an alternative course of action can be checked? Okay, when you select another alternative, that time it can be checked. Okay, I go to one more case study. Recently, a well-known company launched 10 different drinks like lychee, nimbu pani, jaljeera, aam panna, in order to beat the competitors. After taking the step, the company's profits and markets started rising up. Mr. Mayo, the marketing manager of the company, suggested the idea to launch these drinks for the growth and prosperity of the business. Number one, identify the type of plan highlighted in this case. The type of plan which is highlighted in this case is, of course, strategy. Okay. Identify the importance of planning mentioned in the above case. Planning promotes innovative ideas. Okay. He suggested to launch the new drinks, you have to be different, and the growth and prosperity will occur in this process. Okay. I end this session here and will continue this session further in the next turn. Thank you so much for hearing. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.